Let's begin our tour where I live. This is Monument Valley. It is part of the Navajo Indian Reservation. This is the largest reservation in the United States. The Southwest is home to a large number of American Indians, more than any other region of the country. Many American Indians live and work on reservations. Others live in towns and cities. I was born and raised in Monument Valley. To me, this is the most beautiful place on earth. Movie makers also love this valley for its setting. Many Western movies and television commercials are filmed here. Look closely at this landscape. Do you see those flat-topped hills? They are called mesas. Notice how bare the mesas are. Not enough rain falls in Monument Valley for forests to grow. Much of the Southwest is desert. A desert gets less than 10 inches of rain a year. Over time, plants, animals, and people have all adapted to living in this dry land. To adapt means to change to survive. The Navajos, for example, learned how to grow corn and raise sheep, even with little rainfall. As we move on, look for other ways that people have adapted to living in the desert.